friend, and welcome. My name is Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Today, we are learning how to compare things in English. We have two forms to do this. So, if you want to describe things like, this city is bigger than my hometown, or this is the best restaurant in town. Well, guess what? You need this lesson. It is perfect if you are an intermediate student or even advanced student, and stay until the end. After I explain the grammar, I'm going to ask you so many comparative and superlative questions so you can practice making comparisons like a conversation. Let's go. Okay, let's start with a comparative. What is a comparative? A comparative is an adjective, a word that you use when you want to compare two things. Only two things, not all the things. We'll talk about that later. When you want to compare two things. And of course, we have a formula. So we have an adjective, a short adjective. This is important. It's a short word, a simple word plus the letters ER plus the word than. And you can compare two things. For example, this book is smaller than that book. The adjective is small and we add ER. Small is a short word, only a few letters. It's a simple word, just one syllable. So we add ER. It's smaller. Or Salt Lake City, where I live in Utah, is colder than Los Angeles. It's colder. Or my car is faster than your moto. I don't know. Than your bike. My car is faster. The adjective is fast. Faster. So when you compare two things with a short, simple adjective, you add ER. The examples: small, smaller; fast, faster; cold, colder; or hot, hotter. The desert is hotter than the Arctic. Or cheap, you say cheaper. This restaurant is cheaper than that one. So this is how we compare two things. But there's a difference you need to know. Sometimes we use the word more. When do we use more? Well, that's for adjectives that are longer. So for longer words, bigger words with more syllables, we don't add ER like colder, hotter, shorter, taller. No, no, no. Instead, we use the word more plus the adjective. So it's a more complex adjective. Here's some examples. This movie is more interesting than the book. I don't think I agree. I think the book is always more interesting than the movie. So the adjective interesting, it's a longer word. It has quite a few syllables. So we don't say it is interesting-er. No, no, no. That's only for short, simple words. We say more. It's more interesting. Or English is more difficult than Spanish for some people, but not for me. For me, Spanish is more difficult than English, of course. Or this restaurant is more expensive than that one. It's more expensive. So remember, if you have a short, simple adjective word to describe, then you add ER to make a comparison. But if you have a longer word that's more complex with a lot of syllables, we don't add ER. We add the word more in front of it. You got comparisons? Let's move on. Now, what if you want to compare more than just two things? I want to compare many things. This is called a superlative, and it describes like the highest level or comparison of a group of things, three or more things. Now, our formula is really similar. With simple adjectives, with simple short words, maybe one syllable, 2 syllables, we add the plus the adjective plus different letters, not ER, EST. EST. Here's some examples. Like, this is the tallest building in the city. It's the tallest of a group of many buildings. It's the tallest. This is a comparison of many things. Or winter is the coldest season in Utah. Winter is the coldest of 4 seasons. We're comparing 4 seasons: summer, winter, spring, and fall. And winter is the coldest. Okay? What about this is the fastest car I have ever driven? It's the fastest of all the cars I have driven in my life. So remember, we use superlatives when we compare 3 or more things. Like, of all my friends, Maria is the funniest. Funniest, right? So, let me tell you, there's a catch. Just like with comparisons, if you have a long adjective, a more complex word, then we add the word most. So we don't add the word more, we add the word most instead. The most plus the adjective. For example, this is the most beautiful state. Utah, I think, is the most beautiful state. Beautiful? It's a complex word. Beautiful. It's 3 syllables. It's kind of long. So we don't say a beautifulest place. No. The most beautiful place. Do you hear my cat crying? He's meowing. Sorry. Or that was the most interesting class. Remember, interesting, it's a complicated word. It was the most interesting class this week of all the classes. Or that is the most expensive restaurant in town. Of all the restaurants in town, that one is the most expensive. So remember, short adjective, we add EST. Long adjective, we add most to compare 3 or many, many, many things. Got it? Now, of course, with English, we have 2 irregular comparatives and superlatives. Only 2, but they are the most common. So if you want to say something is good, it's good. If you want to compare, you don't say gooder or more good, you say better. It's better. This restaurant is better than the other one. Or if you want to say of all the restaurants, this restaurant is the best. The best. So remember, good, better, the best. Now the opposite, if you want to say something is bad, it's bad. Well, which one do we say if we compare is badder? No, we don't say badder or more bad. We say worse. It's worse. The flu is worse than a cold. For sure, the flu is worse. Or if something of all of them, all of the sicknesses, this is the worst. The worst. So if something is bad, worse, or the worst. So remember these 2 irregular ones. You can do it. Okay, it's time. Let's practice our comparative. So remember, we add ER or the word more. So I'm going to ask you some questions. You answer, tell me the answer, and I'll share my answers with you as well. We're going to go super fast. Which is better, in your opinion, English or math? I think English, of course, is better than math. I'm an English teacher, duh. Who is taller in your family, your mom or your dad? My dad is taller than my mom. Who is smarter, you or your sibling, your brother or your sister? Who's smarter, you or your sibling? I think I'm smarter, maybe. Which is tastier, Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Tastier means like more delicious. Which is more delicious, Coke or Pepsi? Coke for me, 100% is tastier. Which is better, fast food, McDonald's or Burger King? Now, for me, I want to say neither. That means not McDonald's and not Burger King, neither. Which is healthier, salad or pizza? Salad, of course, is healthier than pizza. Which sport is more fun to watch, soccer or tennis? Now, this is a difficult question for me because I think both. I love watching soccer and tennis, so both. Which animal makes a better pet, a cat or a dog? Maybe you heard my cat crying, meowing earlier in the video, so of course, I think that cats make better pets. Who is older, your mom or your dad? My dad is older than my mom. Which games are more fun, video games or board games? Which one's more fun? I think neither. I don't really like games very much. Sorry, neither. What is more expensive, gold or silver? I think gold is more expensive than silver. What is bigger, the earth or the moon? Now, I don't know much about science, but I think the earth is bigger than the moon. Maybe I'm wrong. Sorry if I'm wrong. Which sport is more fun to play, basketball or baseball? I think basketball is more fun to play than baseball. Which language is more difficult to learn, English or Chinese? I think Chinese. For me, of course, Chinese is more difficult to learn. What is more important to you, money or happiness? What is more important? It's difficult, but I think happiness is more important to me. So, what is more entertaining, watching a TV show or watching a movie? What is more entertaining? I think watching a TV show is more entertaining. Last question. Do you think social media makes the world a better or worse place? This one's complex. This is a deep question. I think it depends. Another good answer, you can say it depends. Okay, a few more questions. Of course, we need to practice our superlatives. So we're going to use EST. You add it to the adjective or you add the word most. Here we go. What is the most interesting subject you study? For me, the most interesting subject and the only subject I study is Spanish. What is the most delicious food you have tried? The most delicious food I have tried is curry from Thailand. I love Thai curry. It's my favorite food. What is the most expensive thing you have bought? The most expensive thing I have bought was my house. For sure, my house. Okay, who is the funniest person in your family? The funniest person in my family is my dad, for sure. What is the biggest animal on earth? The biggest animal, I think, is a whale, right? They are the biggest animals. When was the happiest moment of your life? I think my happiest moment was the day I got married to my husband. So cute. What country is the best place to live? This is difficult because I have only lived in the United States. So I think the United States, for me, is the best place to live. I love to visit other countries, but I love to live in the United States. Let's see. What subject are you worst at? Worst. I am the worst at math. It is not the subject for me. What subject are you best at in school? Well, I was always best at two subjects, English and history, but not very good at science or math. Okay, what sport are you best at? I used to be the best at volleyball. That's the sport I was best at. But I will admit I am not very athletic. Who is the smartest person you know? I think the smartest person I know is my brother. Who is the tallest person in your family? The tallest person in my family is my other brother. I have two brothers. One is the smartest, one is the tallest. Which language do you think would be the most difficult to learn? I think Arabic would be the most difficult to learn, but I love the sound of it. It's beautiful. What is the most disgusting food you have tried? The most disgusting food I have tried was cow's tongue. Cow's tongue. I did not like it. It was disgusting. And what is the most fun sport to play? What do you think? The most fun sport, I think, is biking or cycling. Is that a sport? That is the exercise that I enjoy doing. And let's see, what is the most interesting book you have read? What is the most interesting book you've read? I've read a lot of books, so that one, I don't have an answer. You can tell me, what is the most interesting book you have read? You did it. Thank you so much for sharing with me. I want the answer to that last question in the comments. Tell me below, what is the most interesting book you have read? Or you can answer any of the questions. Answer one comparative question and one superlative in the comments, and I want to hear your opinion. Please share with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend who is learning English. I'm here with a new English lesson every week. Now, today I used a lot of a certain verb tense that would be the present perfect when I said you have tried or you have played. This is the present perfect, and I made a video just last week with this topic to explain everything about this verb tense. Check it out. We also play a really fun game at the end of that video. Okay, thanks for joining me and sticking to the end. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!